Thank you for buying this 18211 cabinet door pull from Fixture Displays. This unit measures 2.9 inches long and 1/3 of an inch wide and 0.6 inches tall. It comes with two screws that are M4 times 20 or 20 millimeters long. 20 millimeters is a little longer than 3/4 of an inch, and so if you're using a 3/4 inch board, this will work. However, if you're using thinner board, you are going to need different screws. We now have a door panel or drawer panel pre-drilled to 2.52 inches in distance, and we're going to test fasten for you. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. We also have other models of cabinet door pull. Feel free to browse fixturedisplays.com and search this keyword. As you can see, this is a fairly nice aluminum piece that really is simple and pretty. If you like our video, please like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.